Hello, I'm going to show you how to do the Jars of Feelings activity. When you open up your Google Slide, your document will look just like this. You'll see 8 different jars with feeling words below each jar. Now, I've already colored the jars for you, but if you want to change the colors, you can do that up here. You click the jar, come up to your fill bucket, and you can change the jars to any colors that you want. Maybe when you think of happy, you think of a bright yellow color. You can choose your colors up there. Your job is to figure out how much of each feeling you've been having lately. For example, if you've been feeling just a little bit happy, you're going to click on the jar, grab this middle square right here, and you can click and drag with your trackpad or your mouse to show that you're just a little bit happy or that you're feeling a lot happy. You're going to do the same thing for each feeling word. For example, have you been feeling a little bit excited, medium excited, or a lot excited? Have fun showing how you've been feeling lately.